Alright guys, I think I got this working. We're going for a walk. I got the selfie stick out. Kind of testing things out today. About 2-3 degrees. We're just going for a walk. Got beautiful surroundings here. Beautiful white pine trees. These trees were native to this area. 400 or 500 years ago. A lot of them came down and we got deciduous area. We're in a mixed forest region. So we have a mix of deciduous and coniferous trees, folks. We're walking through the Long Sault Causeway right now, the west end, the Ingleside end. Many of you folks might be familiar with this place. I'm on a little bit of a holiday there, so I'm taking advantage of it and trying to get out and get some fresh air. Just checking to see that everything is still going. And indeed we are. I've had some technical issues, that's why I'm a little bit concerned here, guys. But, you take the stuff out in the field and you give it a good test. Because I want this all working this summer whenever I'm carp fishing and whatnot there, so I can take a few videos and throw them on the old channel. Some people have been walking their dogs. No wild wolf tracks here in this area. There's a lot of coyotes in here. But coyotes generally don't ever bother you. You never have to worry. Gonna tighten this up a bit, guys. I noticed I'm a little bit on the loose side. There, no swinging around there. I don't want to make you sick at home. That's for sure. Alright, so we're into the 2-minute mark of this venture. And we're walking down to the water. Now, you don't have the benefit of smell here, guys, but Ingleside's filtration plant is over there. I don't know if you can see my finger. And that area there is wafting quite a smell here, folks. Luckily, you don't have to suffer that. Beautiful tree line. We can go higher too, guys? Get a perspective from way up here. See some sort of tracks there. I'm not sure what that is. That's probably deer tracks in there. Check this up a little bit, guys. And I'm checking to see that everything's working okay. Everything's working just fine. I love when a plan comes together, folks. Well, I don't know if many of you out there know, but I've been very sick for a very long time. And I discovered that it was a medication that was making me sicker than I should be. So I've stopped that medication, and I feel a lot better. And you can probably tell by the way I'm talking, I'm articulating my speech quite a bit better. And I've got a lot more energy. So the gardening, carp fishing, everything's going to come along very good this year, I think. I have you guys will probably be not familiar with this, but it's like kind of a congenital myasthenia gravis kind of thing. It's not myasthenia gravis, but it's probably a genetic similarity, some sort of disorder. And some days it's incapacitating, but I don't want to dwell on that, guys. I'm feeling great, and I want to talk about doing stuff this year and getting out in nature. Haven't seen any wild turkeys yet, guys. Quite a few of those turkeys in this bush. I hope you're enjoying this little walk. And then we're down to the Long Sault Islands. We're still on the mainland here, guys. But as we walk, you can see there's no trespassing sign and all that stuff. And beautiful old pine trees here. We have a beautiful old pine grove here too. You guys get a look at that. That is absolutely sensational. I absolutely love this place. And you can see the top of that pine tree there? Looks like some wind it was diseased to begin with, and you can see the woodpecker holes there. They're eating the bugs out of that. And it just come crashing down here, and it just topped it. Now the same situation if you go with you go birches, okay? Birches rot from the top, and they get this little fungus on them called chaga. And chaga is actually a very good substance for treating many different ailments if you're using folk medicine. Now I am not a doctor, so don't take my word for it. Do all your own research. So I'm not responsible for you if you get hurt. But I use chaga a little bit, and it hasn't hurt me. I don't know if it's really helped me, to be totally honest. Okay? I want to be honest about this because I don't want to hurt anybody. But I'm on an anti-inflammatory, guys, and it's making everything quite a bit better. I can't go on your steroid immune suppressants because I've got some sort of disorder that steroids are not good. So take a look over there. We can see a little clearing, and you can see the water starting to open up here, guys. Now it's March the 12th, and this is my grandmother's birthday. I said that yesterday on a video, but I was mistaken. I was thinking it was March the 12th when it was actually only March the 11th. So we're just going to take a walk down here, guys. I'm going to tell you something about this spot. Now I'm going to be throwing some fishing videos up there this year. Being I'm a lot better off, and even if I'm not having a very good day, I simply drive the vehicle down here and park it and fish right here, guys, because you would not believe the fish I've caught out of this stupid little boat dock. It's not very deep. The whole water in there is, when the water's up at the high levels, no more than 5 or 6 feet deep. Easy, you know? So you can see somebody's been down here with a car. It's a frequent area it's a beautiful area. If you look, you got a beautiful view. Okay. And getting back to the fish, I was here with my nephew Jesse, I don't know, 10 years ago, and we were sitting down here, and it was I would say it was September, and we fished right here, and I caught myself one of the biggest catfish I ever caught. Now we have channel cats in here, so I got a channel cat in here, I would say about 20 pounds. And I stuck my mouth right in him and freaked out my nephew Jesse. He didn't know what to make of it. Yeah, so what you're looking at here, guys, is a real good bay for carp fishing. Very shallow, lots of spawning area. There's a lot of shallow bays up along there that we'll be fishing this year. And down over there, there's Cat Shoal Islands. You can't see them from here, maybe not, I don't know. I don't know what the 4K camera's perspective is. And there we have an island. I'm trying to remember the name. Bernardine Island, okay? It does not have any access by land. There's no bridge going to it or causeway. It's a favorite of duck hunters in the area, and they set up lines all around this island, and they do their duck hunting. And that's McLaren Island over there, and that's part of the Long Sault Causeway chain of islands, and it's also a campground as well. So a lot of information there. You know, there's a few people out there who are in my area or would like to come and visit, and it is a beautiful area. And you know, these are just some of the things you can do here. You can camp here, you can fish here. Sounds like I'm doing a tourism video, but I really not. So we got windswept sand and dirt and whatnot there from whatnot. Oh, there goes my phone. That tells me that we are near the end of our video, guys. So I'm going to shut off my phone first. You can hear that. I don't really need that, apparently. Okay, shut it off. That is off. And I'm hoping you're enjoying this little video. And I'm going to do more of these nature walks, guys. It's really not a bad thing to do. It's good for your health. And hopefully I encourage somebody to get on out there. Alright, so I'm going to take this off of the sucker there, and I'm going to shut this down for now. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you for coming along with me for this walk. And hopefully I can do a few more videos like this, and you can enjoy the scenery. Rob out for now. Thank you for stopping by.